10 फुट 1 इंच है।
10 फुट 1 इंच है।
फ्लोर से
Hey everybody, and welcome to another Interior Walk Along. My name is Tanya Sheikh and I'm a Lahore-based interior designer. For this bedroom makeover, the main element for us was space. We had this small bedroom, this small space that we had to transform into this a really nice, cozy, personalized bedroom for our client's sister. So we needed a study area, a dressing area, the bed needed to be situated, and of course we needed some storage space. So we managed to do all of that by the help of these concrete shelves that were a really vital part of our interior design. This gave us a platform to create all of these things while at the same time maintaining space. Room has been cleared up, the bath tiles are also being removed. The labor party is just going to start with our ceiling, and while they do that, we're going to be going into the market to have a look at our tile selections. Any good bathroom design, the first thing that we need to do is we need to finalize our tile selections so we're able to create a layout according to that, and that's exactly what we did for this bath. We paired this beautiful patterned terrazzo tile with this really nice and subtle textured wooden tile. We did have other options for the wooden tile, but we wanted to keep the wooden tile a bit simpler because we wanted the terrazzo to stand out. We ended up fleshing this out in a color block that we managed with black highlights, and I'll be showing you that later on in the video. The ceiling, we wanted to keep things a bit simple. We have this one feature border where our spotlights are going to be installed. It starts from where our study desk is going to be and runs all the way in this L-shaped panel. All ceiling border on top mimics the shelving underneath, just to create this nice balance and this nice harmony amongst all of the elements in the room. So the concrete shelves that we're doing are actually a really vital part of the whole interior setup. The reason for that is because the room is quite compact. We don't want to add a lot of furniture because that's just going to end up causing a lot of congestion. So what we ended up doing, we ended up creating these multi-purpose shelves to give us a platform for our side table and for our storage shelving, so we don't need to add any kind of bulky furniture items. And for the other wall, we're utilizing that space for our dressing area, creating the same kind of shelving. We're adding some storage cupboards on that side as well. So our terrazzo tile is being installed, and while we figure out the alignment for that, our granite strips have also arrived. You can see the placement of the stone, the black stone. It is right above the terrazzo tile where the tile starts. We've created a small offset for the lower tile as well, just so that we could add that small piece of granite stone, just to give the whole bath a bit of character and also to distinguish between both tiles. Our black highlights did not stop there. We also ended up going for these really nice graphite colored sanitary fittings. They're not exactly black, but they have this black metallic feel, and they just went really well with the whole bath setup. So for the headboard, we're going for this really nice fluted design. The ridges and the shape of the headboard is just going to add a lot of character, and we're going for a fabric headboard. Our cloth samples will be arriving shortly. At the same time, we're also adding some urban touches to our room, adding this steel pipe on our shelves. Another important decision that we ended up making with the client was to add another color. Our main color scheme was black and white, and we added blue in our room setup. On the 3D model, you could see that the blue has been added on the headboard. However, at the client's request, we ended up adding a feminine touch, adding this lovely salmony pink on the headboard. But we did end up keeping the blue, and we ended up going for two colors with our monochromatic background, and that proved to be a good decision because both colors did end up looking quite nice and quite refreshing for a teenager's bedroom. So another interesting element that we added to the paintwork of the room was this addition of chalk paint. The black wall in our monochromatic background was actually in chalk paint. You could easily write on it with chalk, remove it, quite easy to clean. It was a great idea, a little fun aspect to the room, and a very highly customized idea for the client that she did end up liking. Another major part of the bedroom was our wardrobe. We wanted to go for something a bit definitely modern but simple as well. We wanted to focus on space, so we ended up going for a glass wardrobe with inbuilt lights just to give that openness, because the wardrobe was also quite small. For the internal, we did go for a lighter color, but on top we had our black highlights once again, matte black aluminum channels and aluminum framing that really did stand out. For the glass, we had the same flute design just to bring about that continuity, and it just went well together. So most of the design work is almost done. Now it's up to the Labour Party to just bring all of these things together. While at the same time, we do have some smaller details that we need to take care of. Some featured lighting, some accessories. So let's just bring the whole room together. vanity had another additional feature. The drawers of our vanity actually also had the granite element to it. We ended up adding these really thin pieces of granite marble on top of our granite fronts that ended up making the whole vanity look quite nice and quite seamless. So we had this really nice black stark vanity for the whole bathroom setup that really went well with the whole theme of black terrazzo and that nice warm wooden look as well. So let's touch upon the customized elements that we planned for the client. We had a lantern in one corner of the bed, and at the other corner we had a task reading light, especially for the client because she loved reading. We had these glass shelves for the same purpose for book storage, and we managed to do that without making the room look congested. For the desk we had white Korean once again just to open the space up, another task light on top of the desk, another customized element. Moving into the wardrobe, we had customized lighting for the wardrobe as well, that just made the whole warm wooden look pop out and made the black highlights look quite nice. Moving into the bathroom, we had this lovely looking mirror that had a touch button on it, rope light on all four sides, giving that really nice beautiful modern aesthetic feel. On the other hand, we got really lucky with our dressing area. We added this really beautiful 3D brass mirror in our 3D model actually, and we ended up finding the exact same piece in the stores. It ended up just completing the whole look and tied everything together. So this brings our interior makeover to a close. I really do hope you enjoyed and liked what we did with the room. Please do be sure to leave your feedback in the comments below. I really do enjoy hearing your comments and your feedback. Other than that, do subscribe, hit that notification bell. Also follow us on Instagram because we are a bit more active over there in our Insta story highlights. We have a lot of other videos coming up. Hope you will be enjoying those soon as well. And yeah, see you till then.